I am a weathering and paint junkie. For whatever reason, I just can't stop collecting weathering effects and paints and brushes and so forth. And I try to use them. This all started with MIG Productions when I was looking for pigments, and I was just ecstatic whenever I found out that MIG is coming out with a new, basically a remaster of all their special effects washes and filters. So I rushed to the website, and that week, the first week that the website was open, they had a 10% off, and I bought some stuff. And one of the things that they had were these gold series of boxes that basically had all of their filters and their washes and effects. So here it is. I enjoy collecting, of course, the original MIGs and the filters, the AK Interactive, and then on to the Ammo by MIG, Tamiya. I collect those. The Abtlang 502, and the more Tamiya, and then of course other various paints by other manufacturers, which is probably going to be another video unto itself. There for acrylics. Why not? So I brought this into a more controlled environment because I figured out after watching my video again and overshooting everything I was showing, I kind of suck at unboxing videos, but I like them, so I tried anyway. So I brought it here more. Hopefully this is a little easier to watch. Here's the filters gold series box. It's all wood with some rope handles and metal clasp latches. So remove that. Take it off. And here are the filters. They are miniature sizes of the regular bottles. Just see, little baby MIG bottles. But these are 25 millimeter. Whoops. 25 millimeter. And these were 75 millimeter. And here is the original bottle, 35 millimeter. So same sizes, but this one has special purpose filter. This one had nothing. That's tan for traditional camo. We have blue for dark gray. Subtle dirt. Brown for dark green. Gray for light green. gray for yellow sand. Pretty cool. Ooh, it's a little dark on the bump. I have to put some shakers in there. Neutral gray for white. These are really nice little bottles. Brown for dark and desert yellow. Ochre for light sand. Orange for desert camo. Green for khaki and olive drab. Cool vivid orange rust. I think there was one of these. It's a new color. Yep. Let's see. This is 426 and 426. Okay, so this one did happen. This says orange for extreme decay, and now it's vivid orange rust. General dust. Sun bleach. Violet. What's that? Violet for German gray. And a new one, I thought they were really cool. Clear blue for metallics. So, I'm going to tack on a couple of filler inserts for some additional filters. And that's the filter set from the new MIG Productions, or Filters Remastered, whatever they want to call it, I guess, but regardless, all AK Interactive. Alright, now we'll go on to the washes and effects. And in the box that looks the same, but twice as big, but everything else, the latches, rope, handles, both on each side. Washes and effects. And here they are. Okay, so let's get started. Moss green wash. Oil stain and gas mixture. My old one is, here's the old one, here's the new one. But this one's basically become a sludge, slurry kind of mix. So rare you get to use that word, slurry. But I'm going to go ahead and keep it, but nice to have a new replacement. Wet effects. Engine grime effect. Neutral wash. Let's see, do we have the old neutral? Oh, somewhere up there. Brown wash. These are also saying with the same numbers, P22. You can find that in the old ones too. This is one of the old ones, deep green wash, P302. When we get to that one, I'll show you. P. Come on. There we go. P302. Dark wash. Standard rust effects. Let's see. Okay, well that's light rust effects. Let's see. P412, 411. Oh. Here we go. The old 411. New one. Huh. Seems to have some formula changes there, huh? Again, these don't come with a shaker. These are shakers that I put in here. But it'll be interesting to see what this is about. So both these are the 411s. But you can see a little bit of a color difference. I guess I'll make another video to show the differences. Dark gray wash. Track wash. It's a new one. Light gray-green wash. Thinner with the new kid-proof cap. I guess here's the old kid killer. And now kid-proof. Wash for wood. Black wash. Wash for interior. Wash for desert sand base. Rain marks, the only acrylic in this set. This is right there. Accumulated sand effect. That'll be a neat one. Extreme rust wash. P307. Here's 412, the light rust effects. I have, yeah, here's the old one. And let's see what, there we go. Those are a little bit closer. Let's see. The old one and the new one. Brown blue wash for Panzer Gray. Accumulated earth effect. Accumulated dust effect. It's pretty good amount there at the bottom. So it's probably going to be a little thicker than most. And lastly, fuel stains. It also came with the various pamphlets and everything from AK Real Colors. One of the few sets that I have not collected. Even that one came with a an ammo crate, but luckily I was able to avoid that one. Extreme Metal, AK weathering products. I have all those. Figure acrylic colors, some of those. Aptilong 502. Right. The new sprays, kind of hard to get in the US. And then the new MIG Productions, and all of those filters and washes and everything are all listed in here, along with a couple of their chipping products and that acrylic. And the sets they're going to be in. And if you're a reseller, cool little display rack. Crazy enough, I've actually thought about getting one of these. I'm not going to. It'll just be too much. Alright. If you could, in the comments, let me know what you think. Maybe what you want to see, or like some sort of review. And otherwise, that's the MIG Gold Series crates for washes, effects, and filters. And it's really cool. And thank you, MIG Productions, for coming back, because you're who I started with, and I'm glad that are back in business. I don't know if it's the same stuff. I don't know if it's the exact same stuff that AK Interactive sells, just repackaged in the MIG bottle. Whatever. But it's good. Alright. Thanks.